If you are not replacing the battery cell with a new one, just modify the cycle efficiency and the number of charges. This is the battery health modification. Just wait a little and you can modify it successfully. You can also directly modify the number of charges. If you have replaced the standard capacity cell, you can directly write the underlying data. Writing to the bottom of the battery takes about 20 to 30 seconds. If you are replacing a large capacity battery cell, you can choose large capacity bottom repair. If your battery is older than the iPhone 11, you cannot directly modify the battery data. You need to use the battery repair cable to modify data. Now let's use the iPhone 11 battery to demonstrate. The iPhone 11 battery is connected to the 8V C brand battery repair cable. The modification method is the same as other models, and the cycle efficiency can be modified as well as the number of charging times. It should be noted that after the modified data is loaded into the phone for the first time, the phone needs to restart again to update the battery data.